Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Inu coins. Now, Shiba Inu burning have really increased. Now, in the past 7 days, Shiba Inu was able to record over 1.1 billion SHIB tokens being destroyed. Wow, and this is a lot of burn. But Shiba Inu, most times in a single day they burn just 20 million, 10 million, 30 million, and Shiba Inu now recorded over 1.1 billion SHIB token has been taken out of Shiba Inu supply in the past 7 days. About 1,178,830,000 489 SHIB token has been removed in the past 7 days in 26 transactions. Okay, now I'm happy to see this record. I mean, this is amazing. This is a coin that maybe sometimes in a week we see Shiba Inu burning just 140 million coins. You see Shiba Inu removing, destroying just 200 million coins. We are recording over 1.1 billion for the first time in a long period, and I think Shiba Inu, yes, can do more. All they need is a better project. All they need is to get more support. All they need is for Shiba Inu to bring a plan just like Teruna Classic. If Shiba Inu can burn, destroy half of their supply, Shiba Inu will definitely start pumping once again. Shiba Inu actually pumped a lot of millions in the past, and I believe this coin can still delete between 1 to 2 zeros within the short period of time. Now, burning about 1.1 billion coins is amazing for a coin like Shiba Inu for the first time in a very long period of time. So I believe that yes, Shiba Inu in the future very soon will be seeing many things that will be surprising us about Shiba Inu. Oh yes, and this is a coin where Ethereum whales have actually invested so much on Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the #1 coins on Ethereum whales that these guys are actually investing, these guys are actually buying. Shiba Inu definitely increase in price once they are able to increase the burning rate of Shiba Inu coins. But I think I'm happy to see Shiba Inu for the first time for a very long period of time recording over 1.1 billion SHIB token being removed in the past 7 days. Well, let's keep hoping that Shiba Inu will again for the second time pump massively just like it did in the late 2020 and 2021. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.